Ever open your garage door and feel like you're stepping into a dusty, stained concrete dungeon? Yeah, we've all been there. That grungy floor isn't just an eyesore, it's a magnet for trouble. But don't fret, because transforming your garage is easier than you think. We're diving into the world of garage floor finishes. From the super tough epoxy that brings durability and design, to the lightning fast polyurea and polyaspartic that cure quicker than you can say, new garage. These bad boys are resistant to pretty much everything: hot tires, chemicals, even your uncle's questionable mechanic skills. Then there are versatile garage floor tiles, easy to install and easy on the eyes. And for the budget conscious, there's floor paint, though we've learned some cheap options are, well, cheap for a reason. Pro tip: avoid thin paints and low quality epoxies unless you like redoing things. For an eco friendly and seriously durable solution, look no further than Lifetime Green Coatings. They've been transforming garages for over 25 years with zero VOC. So you get a beautiful, resilient floor that's good for your home and the planet. Remember, good prep makes for a great finish. Whether you DIY or go pro, say goodbye to garage grunge and hello to a space you'll actually want to hang out in.